Hello and welcome to Fontenille Pataud workshop. I'm proud to present you today our new creation, the Origine 1929. This knife is more than just a tool. It's a tribute to the year our company was formed by Maison Fontenille Pataud. The Origine 1929 embodies the perfect balance between the character of yesteryear's knives and a timeless elegance. It opens with great fluidity and locks firmly thanks to its backlock system. You can use it in total safety. To close it, a simple press on the back of the springs releases the blade, which is caused by a fixed blade stop to protect its razor-shaped edge. For a perfect balance between handle and blade, a groove is made into the back of the spring, allowing the blade to be folded completely inside. The secret of its elegance lies into its solid forged B and its entirely hand-filed file work. The spring and the B are one, proof of an exceptional in-house craftsmanship, the true signature of our manufacture. For those seeking excellence, the Origine 1929 folding knife is available with the Damascus steel blade. It offers the beauty of Damascus with the advantage of being fully stainless, allowing for regular use without any maintenance constraints. The Origine 1929 range is also available in a kitchen version featuring our paring and chef's knives, bringing Thiers excellence to your daily culinary experience. Entirely handcrafted in our workshop in Thiers, the Origine 1929 range is now available on our website. Please follow us on social networks to discover the behind the scenes of our workshop.